So today I'm doing the third part of Unit 5. I picked question 12 on page 418. So I'll start with 3 as of part 3, page 418, question 12. So the first question is A, of course. Draw a diagram showing these four forces. So our forces are 25 pulling west, 30 pulling east, 54 pulling north, and 42 pulling south. So at first we have to draw a diagram. That's basically question A. Draw a diagram. So this will be our diagram. We got our 54, and right here 25, right here 30 on the east, right here 42 right there, and then that's A. And then for B, calculate the resultant and the equivalent of these forces. So we have to calculate those forces. So B, I'll start with the east and I'll put the numbers right here so I can remember them. The east and the west forces. So the east and west pulling forces result in a force of, and then I'll do my math right here. Will be 30 minus 25 equals 30. Sorry, I just made a mistake right here. 5. And here is my 5. And then the north and south pulling forces result in a force of, do my math, it'll be 54 minus 42 equals 12. So what we reached till now is the east and west pulling forces result in a force of 5, and the north and south pulling forces result in a force of 12. So here I'll put them together. So the 5 north west and 12 north forces result in a force pulling in the north westerly direction. Since, as you can see, it's going 12 to the north and 5 to the south, to the west, so it's gonna be northwesterly. And then we're gonna use a Pythagorean theorem to find the exact direction of these forces. So it will be I'll do 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 5 is 25 plus 144. Add them together. Add 25 to 144, and that will be 169. Take the square root of 169. Which is 13, of course. And then we're gonna use the definition of sine in order to find if the angle west of north. So we're gonna do sine. Again, I'll put all our numbers right here, so it's 5 and 13. Sine angle equals 5 over 13, which will equal to 22.6, as I did it on my calculator already. I'll do it again just to make sure. Sine 5 over 13. Yes, got 22.6. So the resultant is 13 in a direction of the angle. So we're gonna put the angle right here. Northwest, and the equation is 13 north in direction yeah, that's basically basically our therefore statement, and done. So here's our 3 papers. I started up with just a quick summary because it was a long question. So I started up with doing my diagram right here using the pulling forces, west, east, north, and south. Put them right here. And then for B, I subtracted the east with the west, north with the south, got my 5 and 12, used my 5 and 12 to find I used the 5 and 12 to put them in the Pythagorean theorem and find the exact direction of the force, and then I used sine to so I got 13, and then the last step was using sine and finding the angle, and it was west of north, so it was a 22.6. Put them right here and got my therefore statement. The resultant is 13 in direction of 22.6 northwesterly, and the equivalent is 13 in direction of south 22.6 easterly. Thank you.